Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The picturesque route you are currently witnessing leads to La Spezia in Italy. After a long hiatus, I decided to pause my work and studies to explore Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 villages in Italy. I secured a one-day apartment in La Spezia, just a 30-minute train ride away from Cinque Terre. Behold the breathtaking beauty of the Tuscany region, abundant with lush greenery. Our journey brought us to La Spezia, a charming city in Italy. We marveled at Monterosso, a village in Cinque Terre, the final stop before my hometown Siena. We visited in May, where the weather was perfect, making it an ideal time to explore. Indulging in fries and fish, albeit a bit pricey due to touristy nature, was a delightful experience without feeling exorbitant. Vernizza beckoned us next to witness a mesmerizing sunset. That is a highlight of our visit. Then we ventured to Manarola, the fourth village from the end, which, in my opinion, stood out as the most captivating. Allow me to introduce you to my apartment in La Spezia, a spacious abode at a reasonable rate of 75 euros, a steal for its size. This accommodation, boasting 2 bedrooms, a lounge, and a stunning balcony view, is an ideal choice, especially given that rates might surge in July or August. A glimpse of a famous cake from Monterosso and the renowned pesto pasta of Cinque Terre are must-tries. Our day concluded with a memorable trip, and on our journey return to Siena the next day, we savored a meal at an Indian restaurant in Florence that wraps up our adventure. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.